Right now, you're relying on the wrong person. Nobody should be dictating your attitude to you. Nobody should be dictating your level of energy to you. Nobody should be adding anything to your mindset. Okay, like it doesn't matter what this person said or that person said or what happened yesterday or what happened this morning. It doesn't matter. You got a flat tire. Okay, you can have a good attitude about that or you can have a bad attitude about that. Either way, you got a flat tire. The difference is a good attitude comes up with solutions. A good attitude doesn't let it ruin the rest of their day. A good attitude makes sure that you are in control of your mindset. You need to start relying on yourself for your mindset. Stop blaming circumstances. Stop blaming people for your attitude and the way that you are responding to the life you've been given. All right? So I want you to think about that right now. I'm in charge of my attitude. I'm in charge of what's going on. I'm the one that's responsible, and make today the best day of your life.